Hello guys, welcome to second episode of Designer Talks. Today we are going to talk about Moscow's most famous building, Mercury City Tower. Mercury City Tower is famous for its unique design and shape. This skyscraper is 338 meters high with 75 floors in it, along with 29 elevators in it, out of which 2 are high-speed elevators capable of traveling at the speed of 7 meters per second. The Mercury City Tower was jointly developed by Frank Williams and Russian engineering firm Project 2 under the leadership of Mikhail Poskin. Guys, don't forget to watch episode 1 of Designer Talks on very famous building the Gherkin by clicking here. Did you know, after the death of Williams, Dutch architect Eric van took over the project and completed in 2013. Construction of Mercury City Tower began in 2006, but developers Mercury Development and Lidl Investment Limited preferred to slow down the project to bring the building to the housing market during the Great Recession of 2008. This building is claimed to be Russia's first environmentally friendly building, which provides access to 70% of daylight to workplaces and with capacity to collect melting snow water. This building also features a smart energy cycle system that regulates energy usage, ambient temperature, and hot water distribution throughout the development. Mercury City Tower also has a unique setback shape in which the building steps back twice along its northwestern facade, creating a tapering effect that extends the building's height in conjunction with the vertical skeleton stripping that shows its corner. Each setback has a slanted roof that supports the illusion of added height. Mercury City Tower is mixed-use building with offices, apartments, retail and restaurants. The apartments are located on the topmost floors of the building and were designed to merge units, adding to the tower's overall space efficiency. Now let's talk about Russia's most famous event venue, Mercury Space. Mercury Space has been named the best premium event venue in Russia and the best event venue in Europe for the second year in a row of 2017 and 18. Mercury City Tower has won 7th place in the Emporis Skyscraper Award in 2013. And do you know which other building won this award? Yes, UK's very famous building, the Gherkin. Did you know a media facade of 2 million LEDs was installed on the exterior of 67th and 68th floors of the building, the tallest media facade in Europe? For greater reliability, 2 independent reinforced concrete skeletons were provided to make the Mercury City Tower resistant against a 6.0 magnitude of earthquake. This as a result gives the building a futuristic and high-tech look, fitting in it as the structural expressionist architectural style. Rising 338.8 meters tall, the Mercury City Tower was formerly the tallest building of Russia and Europe, having surpassed the Moscow Tower of the neighboring City of Capitals complex, also in the MIBC, as the tallest of Russia and the Shard in London as Europe's tallest building. The Mercury City Tower kept this record from late 2012 to the summer of 2014. So this was my video on Russia's famous building, Mercury City Tower. I like this building's unique futuristic design and shape. This inspires me to be more creative with my designs and projects. If you find this video informative, then do consider subscribing to Design by Rent, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. This was Designer Talks on Design by Rent.